Hey, do you want to learn how to connect a custom domain from Squarespace to Totalum AI app or website builder? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So first you need to go over to totalum.app and then log into your account. Then make sure you have a project that has an upgraded plan. Like I've got this right here, basic, which means that I'll be able to use a custom domain and add it on my project. If you have a free plan, you will not be able to add a custom domain on it. So make sure that you have upgraded your plan for that project and then press on the open button. Then it's going to take you over to the edit page. Now right over here on the top right corner, you're going to find publish button. Click on that. And then it's going to ask you want to use a custom domain. Let's press on this add custom domain. Now there's one catch here. You would not be able to use your main domain and connect it over here. You would actually need to use a subdomain. So app.yourdomain.com. This is what you need to add here. Let's say we're connecting Squarespace domain here in this video. So I'm going to go over to account.squarespace.com. Basically log into your account and then go over here on the top right on your username and then go to domains in the drop down. Then it's going to take you over to this page. On it, under domains, you'll find your domain here, press on it. On the left hand side, you're going to find DNS, click on that. Then in DNS settings, you need to scroll down. You'll find custom records. This is what we need to look at, but make sure that you do not have any other custom domains added. So delete it by pressing on this on the right hand side, the bin icon, delete it and then delete the other one as well. Now, once you've done it, let's press on the add record button. Before all of this, let's actually go back, domain list, copy this thing right here, copy the domain, go back to Totalum, and in domain, let's add our solvebasetech.org, the domain that I have, and remove the HTTPS and the slashes. Now I'm going to say app.solvebasetech.org like this. Now, you can, of course, just change the app to something else, but I'm just going to keep it app.solvebasetech.org. Then this is basically going to be yourdomain.com. It can be anything. This is yourdomain.com and just add the app dot. That's it. Now let's go back to Squarespace domains, go into DNS settings again, and then scroll down all the way. You'll find custom records. Let's press on the add record button. Now for the first one, let's go back to Totalum AI and add custom domain. Okay, now custom domain has been added, but it is not yet configured. So you need to scroll down over here. You'll find DNS configuration that is required. So you need to add both of these host records. First one is going to be txt record for domain ownership. So we're going to go back to Squarespace domains. In add records, let's press on this type. It's going to give you a drop down. Let's scroll down all the way and you'll find a txt record. Let's select that. Then go back to Totalum again. And in name field, this is your name field. I'm going to copy it and right over here in name, paste it. Then go back to Totalum again. And in the value field, we're going to copy this for the txt record. Go back to Squarespace again. And for the text here on the right hand side, paste it. For the time to live, let's make it 1 hour. And save it. All right, we need to add one more record. So we're going to press on this add record button. Now go back to Totalum. And the second one is going to be a CNAME record for traffic routing. So for this, we need a CNAME record, right? So we need to go back to Squarespace again. And in add records, in type, I'm going to press on it, give you a drop down here, select CNAME record. Now for the name, let's go back to Totalum again. For the name, it's app. So let's select it and go back to Squarespace, paste it right here. Now go back to Totalum once more. And here in target field, you'll find this, copy it. Let's go back to Squarespace one last time. And in alias data, let's paste this. Again, time to live, let's select 1 hour and let's save it. We got both our host records added on Squarespace. Now if I go back to Totalum, I've found in most of my Domain Connect series for different apps that Squarespace is the fastest one to authenticate. So let's say right here, once you've done it, just need to go over on the top here, next to the domain, and you'll find this refresh status button, right? Press on it, and that's it. It's now connected. So you can see domain is now connected. It's already done. Like for Namecheap or other domain providers, that I've found that they take like 2 or 3 minutes in order for the same process, the activation, to be done. So yeah, this is what it is. Once you're done, make sure that you press on this publish now button. This is required. Otherwise, you would not see your website that you have made with Totalum on that subdomain, the custom domain. So this process is going to take like 2 or 3 minutes, like it says here. And that is it. Your application is now successfully published and is now live. And you can access it on this domain. So let's press on this open app, and it's going to take you over to this website. And your website is live on your Squarespace domain right here. And I can go in, take a look at the other things, like I can click around, move around my website and such, and things are working. And yeah, that's it. That's how to connect a Squarespace domain, a subdomain, custom domain, to Totalum AI app or website builder. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And if you want to learn how to connect Figma or connect GitHub to Totalum AI, I've made a separate video on the right hand side. So yeah, see you there. Bye for now.